To work at its best and deliver the full Saunum experience, the base unit should be installed close to the existing heater. Although the unit is made of non-combustible materials, all safety distances specified by the heater manufacturer must be followed during installation. If the heater's installation manual is not available or the required safety distances cannot be found, the base unit may be installed at a distance of 500 millimeters from the heater. When installing the unit next to a wood-burning heater, make sure there is enough space to fully open the stove door. For units equipped with a side-mounted switch, sufficient clearance must be left between the switch and the heater to avoid the risk of burns when operating the device. The bottom edge of the unit must be at least 100 millimeters above the floor, preventing water on the floor from reaching the electrical connections. For models equipped with an upper protective grille, the unit operates most efficiently when the upper ventilation opening is positioned directly against the sauna ceiling. If the unit does not have an upper grille, it should be installed so that the top edge is 80 to 100 millimeters below the ceiling. When viewed from the front, the left side of the unit must be at least 16 millimeters from the wall, and the right side at least 200 millimeters from the wall. For exact installation distances and model-specific details, please refer to the base installation manual.